Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you how to make part-time income from home. Maybe you are a homemaker looking to make extra income from home while looking after your child. Or maybe you are looking for ways to earn some extra bucks to save up towards retirement. Whatever it is, it doesn't hurt to earn some extra income from the comfort of your home. Let us delve into the topic right away. Number 1. Start a blog. Starting a blog is an excellent way to make money from home. You can create a blog about any topic that you're passionate about, monetize it with advertisements, affiliate marketing, and more. Number 2. Become a virtual assistant. Many businesses are outsourcing their administrative and other tasks to virtual assistants. This can be a great way to make money from home if you're organized and have strong communication skills. Number 3. Sell handmade items. If you're crafty and have the skills to make handmade items, you can sell them online or at local craft shows. Number 4. Become a freelancer. Freelance work is a great way to make money from home. You can do a variety of tasks such as writing, graphic design, web design, and more. Number 5. Create an online course. If you have knowledge and expertise in a specific area, you can create an online course and sell it to people who want to learn. Number 6. Tutoring. You can offer tutoring services online or in person. You can tutor a variety of subjects such as math, science, language, and more. Number 7. Participate in online surveys. Participating in online surveys is a great way to make money from home. It's easy and you can get paid for your opinion. Number 8. Sell photos online. If you're a photographer, you can sell your photos online. There are many websites that allow you to upload and sell your photos. Number 9. Become a social media manager. If you're skilled in using social media, you can become a social media manager and help businesses manage their social media accounts. Number 10. Become an online consultant. If you're an expert in a certain field, you can offer your services as an online consultant. This is a great way to make money from home. Do you have other ideas on how to make part-time income from home? Please remember to click on like and subscribe. After you have subscribed, please leave a comment in the comments section below and I will try to reply to your comments. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.